It's official. KEF has announced five new subwoofers, which include their flagship KC92 subwoofer and four new Cube MIE subwoofers. This particular Cube series contains four subwoofers, which has the 8-inch version, the 10-inch version, the 12 and 15-inch version. This is what you get with this lineup, and the price will range between $600 all the way up to $2,000, depending on what you are trying to buy. The KC92 as well as the Cube MIE series will feature KEF's proprietary digital signal processing algorithm called the Music Integrity Engine. It's tailored to each model. The MIE ensures every component works within the individual subwoofer in perfect, at least work within the each subwoofer, and makes it work in perfect synergy. Basically, that's what that technology does. Now, basically, the Music Integrity Engine supports the overall performance of each subwoofers, providing better detail and sound accuracy. So that's what you get with these models that they've put out. There is also the fact that these subwoofers also come with intelligent bass extension, which is at least they call it the IBX tech. Now, the thing here is that it will basically allow you to analyze at least the subwoofer will analyze the input signal, and then allow the subwoofer to play louder and deliver better dynamic range at any listening level. So once you start looking at their flagship, which is their KC92, you'll start seeing the benefits of its design. First of all, it's going to build on the foundation of the former KC62 model, which came out 3 years ago. Now this model comes with two 9-inch drivers. In fact, the company says that it's a dual driver arrangement mounted in a force cancelling assembly. The drivers output do perform better than just a single driver that you get from most subwoofers that are being sold by so many other companies out there. They even say that the configuration allows the KC92 to deliver greater extension, a bit better bass impact, from a design that is smaller than similar models of its price range. So this thing is just a huge subwoofer, but with small enough drivers that you would just enjoy how they've made it. KEF, one thing I like about KEF is their subwoofers are not very massive. They are quite robust, but they make it in such a way that it allows you to move it around your living space without any concern. Now, the KC92 also incorporates KEF's P-Flex surround structure. The P-Flex surround material adds to the support of the deeper bass extension, more detailed bass reproduction, and reduced distortion. So this is what you get with this model. Now, the power you get with this model is 1000 watts. There's a 1000 watts of Class D amplification. In fact, you even get a dedicated 500-watt amplifier for each drivers. For each of the 9-inch drivers, you get that with this model. It's really built very well for audiophiles. You even have the fact that the KC92 provides both line level and speaker level inputs, and it can easily connect to an amplifier, or at least any amplifier, AVR or whatever, utilizing KEF Smart Connect. It automatically optimizes the gain based on whether a mono or a stereo input is in use. So just this thing is just a beast in every respect. It's going to be priced at $2,000, and then once we start looking at the Cube series, which include so many models like the 12-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and as well as 15-inch. Now these ones are more or less like a scale down of the KC92 in most regards. They still have most things that you can expect from a KEF subwoofer. For instance, the 10-inch can go down to to 24 hertz and extend to 140 hertz. The 8-inch can only go down to 34 hertz and extend to the same 140 hertz. The 12-inch can do 22 hertz. The 15-inch can go down to 20 hertz. And the difference between all these Cube MIE series is that they cannot go down as low as the KC92, which can go as low as 11 hertz. 11 hertz in bass extension. So these are things that you need to know before you step out to purchase any one of these models. The 8-inch Cube MIE is gonna come with a 300 watts of amplifier. In fact, all of these models will have 300 watts of amplification all the way up to the 15-inch model. So these are things you need to know before you go out to purchase any one. Now, as for pricing, the 8-inch MIE will be priced at $600. The 10-inch version is $800. The 12-inch is $1,000. The 15-inch is $1,400. Like I've said before, the KC92, which is the flagship, is $2,000. So I'm gonna drop details for you guys to check out all the details for everything I've listed. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.